Aloha, good morning. It is that time again. We have the lick of the day, and today's lick is played on a baritone ukulele. I'm playing a Pono model MT-SHC, and this is the older model without the radius fretboard. But I really like this uke, and it's perfect for what I do on the baritone. So today's lick was a turnaround in the key of D, right? And I started off by doing that right there, which is like a G major 7, but I'm just kind of breaking it up into single notes. So it went 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so, and I use all my fingers when I pick, so I go. So I went down from the 5th fret, 4th, 3rd, 2nd. Then I put my pinky on the 7th fret, pulled off. So then I hit the top string, open. And then it goes 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then the 1st fret of the 3rd string. So then I catch my ring finger, the bottom string, 2nd fret. So all together. And then I play while I'm holding this chord, which is like a, in this case, an E9. Right? So I'm playing those 3 notes. Now I'm going to play an A. This is like an A7, but I'm adding in F sharp, so kind of like an A13. I'm going to put my fingers like this. Now I'm putting my ring finger here, even though I'm not using it right now, but I'm going to use it in a second. So I've got like an A7 shape. So my finger's over here, top string, 2nd fret, and then 2nd fret on the 2nd string, 2nd fret on the bottom string. I'm just going to keep it there, even though I'm not playing it there. My pinky is up here on 5. I slide it back to 3, and then I pull off from 2 to open, and I slide up, and I catch that chord, right? So. And so this is on the 7th fret, and that's on the 10th. So altogether, really slowly, it goes like this. Alright, so that's the lick the way I played it. But you would use this in the turnaround, any situation where you're going back to D, like in Hawaiian music. That would substitute for that. So you could play like to cover that. Alright guys, so that's the lick of the day. If you liked it, please hit the like button below. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button right here. Now, if you like the way I teach, check out my website, hawaiimusicschool.com, where right now you can get 2 weeks for free. Also, please leave comments below. I love getting feedback, guys, and I'd love to meet more of you. Aloha, and take care.